So I'm comparing the finished magnetometers, which here's one right here. Got a much better camera. I don't have the flash on, so I don't, if it's a little bit grainy, I didn't want the flash on to get a glare on the screen. But I'm comparing the readings with my tablet with two different apps. These magnetometers do not have tilt compensation, nor did I want it. So they must be on a flat surface. This is not quite flat. While your phones and your tablets use the accelerometer to compensate. And I'm hoping you can see the numbers here. I got them oriented the same way and on the same plane. I mean, they're both on the same surface, which isn't quite level, but let's see if I can level it up a little bit. Okay. And mag X, it says, is minus -2. Y is 26. Z is -19. And that is tilt compensation kicking in because it's not on a level surface, but I am getting the same numbers here, except that I'm not sure why the BX and the BY are swapped. So 29.9 on the x-axis, 2.2 on the y-axis, 13.3 on the z-axis, and a total field of 32.2. And I've got my declination for Charlotte, North Carolina set, and my heading is north. Now, like I said, it's not on a totally flat surface, which is why I think I'm seeing the same readings here, but on the x and y axis are swapped, and that is because of the tilt compensation. So let's exit out and see if I want to do this live. Let me go back and let's check total field. I'm just comparing the accuracy from this tablet and its internal sensors with the TSN magnetometers, which in my opinion are going to be more accurate. Inside these phones and tablets you got a lot of other circuitry going on. You know, everything's cram-packed inside here, so there's got to be a internal bias on these sensors in these tablets. I mean, even if it's negligible, I mean, there's got to be some kind of bias. It's sitting up against a lithium battery, a power supply, a complete motherboard, and everything else that's squeezed into there. But let me check out, there we go. This app sometimes crashes. Okay, so it's picking up 34 microteslas in the same orientation. And I've already calibrated it. Tablet says 33 to 34 microteslas. TSN magnetometer says 33.3 and steady, 32.2. And they could be off, I don't know. I'm not on a level surface, so let me see, is this lined up exactly with it? Okay, now it's lined up exactly with it and on the same plane. So 32 to 34, it's going in between there. But as I'm looking at ours, it's staying pretty steady, and this is updating it at about 18 times a second. So it's staying pretty steady at 32.2. Sometimes it'll jump, and you get these spikes. And I've checked; it's not a software glitch. I've got a lot of error checking going on, and it'll record those detections down here. So let me go back one more time if it doesn't crash, and check the X, Y, and Z axis again. Again, I'm just doing this to check the accuracy of the units. Now, while the integers may be signed or unsigned, and I'm more interested in the values because I know this has tilt compensation built into it, whereas ours do not, nor do I want it. So X is -5, Y is 26, 27, 28, somewhere in there. Z is -17. And over here, Z is 12.2. Y-axis seems to be swapped with the X-axis, but I know mine's right. Makes me wonder if the developer of this app got the X and Y's backwards, which is a possibility. But anyway, I'm happy with the results.